Look what I found on my porch this morning. Posh paper lady. Okay. And unboxing it. Beautiful card. Thank you for your awesome support to my channel. And it's from Posh Paper Lady Sherry. Okay. So she had a contest on her radio station, on her YouTube channel. And all you simply have to do, everyone, is to like and subscribe, as well as comment during the live that she has every morning at 8 on Monday through Friday, and on the weekends it's at 3 p.m. And I'm in love with this beautiful shelf that's made by our Posh Paper Lady. Yes, I like this. This will go in. This is so pretty. Now, if you want to know more about how to make this yourself, just go on to Posh Paper Lady's website on, YouTube channel. And she also have a shopping site as well that you can go on. Just Google her name, the Posh Paper Lady, and you will see her channel as well as her sites to view anything that she's made. Loving it. Thank you.